Congratulations on your purchase on the brand new PX7 Carbon Edition by Bowers Wilkins. The first thing I'm going to tell you about is you need to download the correct app on your phone before you connect your headphones. You can make it work afterwards, but the best way to do this is to download the correct app first. B&W actually has two apps that use the word headphones. So the one you want to use and download is called Bowers Wilkins Headphones, not Bowers Wilkins PX. Once you download it, it'll walk you through connecting the headphones, naming the headphones, configuring your basic settings, and all the rest. Once you're all connected, the next thing I want to show you is a good way to put your PX7 Carbon Edition headphones on so that you don't accidentally press any of the buttons while putting them on. All right, now when you're holding the headphones, you'll notice that all the tactile physical buttons are right there on each ear cup. So you want to make sure that your thumbs don't accidentally press any of them while you're holding the headphones. So what I do is I just keep my thumb down at the bottom and my hands essentially like this and put them on like so. You can kind of adjust this headband a little bit forward just to really adjust the comfort and the support, and they fit really well. So again, right when you take them off, same thing. Thumbs on the bottom of the ear cups, lift up, and just like so. I also find it's easiest to scroll through the noise canceling settings just by pressing the button one by one to toggle through the individual settings. In terms of those preferred settings, when you go into the app, the first thing I'd recommend is turning auto prompts on if it's not already enabled by default. These automatic prompts make it really clear and easy to learn how your new PX7 Carbon Edition headphones actually work, because you'll get instant feedback when pressing buttons and so forth. The next tip I'd suggest is going to the Ambient Sound setting. On this screen, you can actually go through the ambient sound and choose what level of ambient sound you want so that you can hear and pipe in these types of sounds into your headset. Once you've dialed in your preferred setting here, the button to activate the ambient pass-through mode that pipes in sounds from the outside world into your headset is right here on the left ear cup. Holding this ANC button down will activate the setting, press it again, and it resumes active noise cancellation and regular playback. In the app, you can customize the volume of the music when you initiate pass-through mode. This is useful when you run into someone who wants to have a quick conversation with you, so you can just have the conversation without taking your headphones off. The right ear cup hosts the rest of the buttons. The one in the middle controls your music playback. A single press plays or pauses, and a double press skips to the next track, and a triple press will go back to the previous track. The other two will control the volume up or down. Another thing I'd recommend is going into the standby screen and deciding if you want standby mode timer to be on or not. This screen will let you determine how long your headphones will stay powered on before they power off after you stop wearing your headphones. I set mine to 15 minutes so that they automatically power off just in case I forget to turn them off later. This concludes our tips and tricks for the new Bowers Wilkins PX7 Carbon Edition. This should get you up and running quickly so you can just start canceling out noise and stay focused on great sounding music. If you're looking for more audio equipment, or if you have any questions about these that were not in our video, feel free to chat with one of us on audioadvice.com, call us, or if you're in the area, come into our Raleigh or Charlotte, North Carolina locations. Until next time, we hope you enjoy your new headphones.